How to add multiple audio in Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can add multiple audios in Instagram Reels. So in order to do it, you first need to have this application that is called CapCut. Instead of CapCut, you can also use the Filmora's mobile application. So for this video, I'm going to use CapCut. So you just have to launch CapCut and then tap on New Project. Afterwards, you just have to select any of the videos that you want to post on your Instagram account. Afterwards, you will have to make sure that your video is under 1 minute. So you just have to keep it under 1 minute. Then you just have to select the add audio option in the bottom. Then you just have to tap on the sounds option. Now once you tap on sounds, you will be able to see various types of songs, and you can even find them with the help of the songs that you have in your mind or with the help of genre and artist. So from this list, you just have to select any of the songs that you want, and then you just have to add that song into it, and in the timeline you just have to align the song with your video. Afterwards, you just have to tap on the top right hand corner of the screen in order to export your video. Now once the video is exported successfully, you will have to launch your Instagram mobile application. So this is my Instagram, and over here, in order to upload this video, you just have to tap on the plus icon in the middle, and then you just have to select that particular video which we have exported. After selecting it, you just have to add another song on top of that video and you are good to go. This way you will be able to add multiple audios in Instagram Reels. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.